Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on appearing offline to just one person on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It isn't possible to do this on the Messenger app. You will have to open up a web browser on your PC in order to do it. In your web browser, go to messenger.com and log in to your account. You then need to make sure you aren't logged in anywhere else, as this setting will only apply to the browser you are currently on. Tap on the three dots button in the top left corner, then tap Preferences. Tap on Turn off active status. Select Turn off active status from only some contacts, and then type the name or names of the people who you want to appear offline to. Then tap OK. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.